Welcome back, guys, and we are looking at the maths function. So there are a lot of maths functions, but we are looking only few now that are round, round up, round down, and we will also look at the subtotal. How subtotal can are useful to us. So first of all, what is round? Round is exactly removing cent from certain numbers. So here, whatever decimal point. So there are two extra we have after decimal, and to remove that we use a round function. So first, if you normally use round, it will obviously make it round, but with a certain rules, like if it is less than 5, I mean the decimal is less than 5, it will make it least, and if it is more than 5, anything like here, if it was 7.73, it has taken the next number. So if you look at this, so let's look at the fourth one. So here the number was 43, that's why it has taken for 289, the least one. Okay, I will just reduce this. Okay, okay. So same way, what is round up? The round up will always take the next number, even though it is less than the decimal is less than 5. So here, if you take the example round up, if I select and I select this. So if you look at the fourth one, if we take the example, even though it is 0.43, it took it changed the number to 290. And when you select round down, it will always round it down. I mean the number which is before decimal point. So if I select this and make 0, and here if you see, even though it is 0.72 or 0.84, it has round down the number. Okay, so we will just go ahead and copy and paste it till below. Here we have. Okay, so I was supposed to show you subtotal. What is subtotal? Normally we know the total we do. We will do directly sum, and we will do this total too. But in this case, what happens? Even some rows are hidden. It will, if you want to check Bristol sum, it won't show. It will show sum of all hidden row as well. So in case you have selected sub total over here, and you see these are, if you select this sub, it will do a normal sum which we had done before, and if you select this 109 sum, this one, it will do the trick that we are looking for. So I'll just select the range, whole range, and if I change the filter to Bristol, see the number changes, the total changes. So if I select London and we go down and check the number, it will always do the total for the filtered one. Okay, so there is not only sum, we can do average, we can do max, min, and everything. So here the function number you have to put. Again, I will show these are the function. So if you select from 1 to 11, this will select do the normal work what we, so like count, and count a will do a normal count functions, max minimum function. But if you select 100 and these one, then this will work, this will do the trick for filtered one. So that's it, guys, and we will look more function in the next lecture. We have a second part of maths, then we will move to statistical and other functions. Thank you.